Welcome back to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, and today we will be touring the only river in Manchester. On the way to the river, we will also stop by one of the best places you can get some good food. We will also interview the owner of this restaurant. So stay tuned. So let's start. We drove through the town of Malgully, which is located in the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. We passed the famous Duppy Church. Trust me, I did not go over there. I'm not touching that. And then we stopped at this little mini mart and we got some snacks or knickknacks for the road, So while you're in the car, you can just get something to snack on. And we got this awesome gizzard, only one was left. And then we hopped back onto the road until we came to Heather's restaurant. So when it comes to Jamaican street food, this is one of the options. We do not have the typical street food as you would see in Asian countries. What we do have is a restaurant that serves cooked food like fried chicken, rice and peas, and steamed vegetables. We call this restaurant a cooked shop because it sells cooked food and it is usually prepared on wood fire or coal stove. And it's usually located right next to the road that anybody walking past can just walk in. So we're at Heather's cook shop and groceries. So how did this start?
Well, I first started down there at that
Wow, I know, we large up on thing.
From there I first started fried chicken only. And then from fried chicken I started with ideas from people. Using it along the day, buying a pound of chips and a pound of chips and a pound of chips until it go to 2 pound of chips until it go to 3 pound of chips. I said them, give me one rice and peas. Start 2 pound of rice. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes it don't. But we still keep the faith. And we go on and then we say, sometimes we tired of chicken only, Instead of give me something else, and from one idea to the next.
So who teach you to cook so sweet? When I give your fried chicken taste
My
again?
grandmother.
Okay.
Yes, Miss Mavis Mitchell. Miss Leah, she was called. We usually use the good old firewood there, as you notice. Logwood and pimento and all of those, and orange. Jamaican coconut, real grated coconut. No coconut milk. Okay. Except that one.
And so how can persons find you if they want to?
On your way to St. Elizabeth, I'm on the main road heading to Balaclava.
Okay. Alright.
And as you know, my name is Heather.
So there you have it, Heather's restaurant. She uses natural ingredients like Scotch bonnet pepper, coconut, and we got our food and then we went to the river. This river is called Noisy River or Oxford River, and it is located in the community of Oxford, right in between or upon the line, the border between Manchester and St. Elizabeth, and it's just beautiful. So now that we are at the river, we're going to walk down and find a nice place to sit down and enjoy our lunch. Sarah, look at me. We're going to give you some. We're going to give you some, baby. Yes. So, guys, I have to dish out some for my daughter before I even can taste. Because my daughter, she loves food. This is beautiful. I cannot wait to dive in and tell you how this tastes. Can I eat your go say like a prayer? Can you get a funny spoon? Yes, and just style. Try some spicy. Try some spicy.
Eat the spicy.
Alright, so let's taste this food. No, without further ado. I love how you can taste the salt, the black pepper, the seasoning, and most of all the smoke from the wood fire. And the seasoning is not like over powerful that you cannot taste the chicken. You know that you're eating chicken. Oh God, Sarah, don't try don't throw your food. You don't want to eat the chicken? Chicken. The chicken. The chicken? And the rice and peas is just as powerful. I love this rice and peas. This is the basically one of the best rice and peas I've had. Vegetables nice and salty.
It looks like my daughter wants to take over my job.
And you taste the wood fire. The true Jamaican wood fire cooking. Man, really good. Look at that tender chicken. Cheddar and the good. So guys, I'm going to enjoy this food. So later, more eat this in peace.
No man, my daughter is doing a better job at me in reviewing this cooked food. No sir.
Food done. And just have my feet in some nice water while eating. What kind of feeling is that, man? Look at everything done. Everything they just taste so sweet and proper. I enjoy myself in a life right now. Soon reach 30. Got nothing to do with it but by enjoy myself. And you can come to Jamaica and enjoy yourself too. You see me? Boy, I look pretty. What? I joke again.
After eating, we walked over to the wood fire cooking area.
By the river?
Yeah, man, I want to name the bar for more roast yam,
Yeah. They have a little fireplace where people can come and cook. And this man is roasting him yam. What your name, fire?
Yeah, Dan Brooks.
Dan Brooks, okay.
Yes, man, artist, same way, pick up on YouTube. Just type in Zidane Brooks and listen to the song.
Alright, Zidane Brooks.
Dan Brooks, for sure. Man, I want to name bar for more roast yam. Every day upon the nice river, man, I can come. Yam pretty. With the salt, with the roast saltfish. Yeah? Yeah, man.
Okay, so we wash off. And now it's time to get some sweet up the gizzard that we bought from the supermarket. You know, she has to forget first, not sure. Oh. And do a zoom in for all the sugarness, sweetness. Oh, I'm sorry. No, why you have to get the big piece? No! No, sir! I'll pick this piece up. Jamaican. Or should I say snack? It's a sweet snack. A crust pastry. But it's like a coconut pie. You know, so it is filled with shredded coconut and it's cooked down in sugar and paper crust. And it tastes so good. Alright, we're going for a bite. No. It's like they put some butter in this, man. The dough butter is so nice, crunchy. The dough kind of different. Sweet, coconutty, ginger, perfect. It's just like you end the day perfect. Right, nice, yummy.
Perfect. Perfect day to end the river day. Some nice dessert. Jamaican dessert. Jamaican street food. I have to leave this for my husband. I wish I could eat it all. And too bad only one was left in the supermarket. One day, tastes good. Thanks everybody for tuning in. One love. Next time we're going on the town and we're going to try out little place of that, little piece of that, little piece of that. Now I'm saying thanks for coming with us on the journey. Until the next video, one love. No, this is for daddy. This is for daddy. No, that is for daddy.